Hello dear students, very good morning. You know that we are learning the chapter structure of the atom. In the previous class you have learnt about structure of atom and the valencies and electronic configuration that you all have studied. And in today's class you are going to study about what is atomic number, mass number, isotopes and isobars. So first let us know about atomic number. Students, you know about the structure of atom, right? So it is called atomic nucleus, which consists of protons and neutrons, and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a discrete orbits, right? Electrons. So here 8 electrons, and so just take it as example. This is the structure of atom. So protons and neutrons are present in an atomic nucleus, and the electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a discrete orbits. To this atomic number, so we know that protons are present in the nucleus of an atom, right? So this protons, number of protons, so indicates the atomic number. It is the number of protons of an element, so which determines its atomic number. Suppose if the atomic nucleus has a 6 protons, so its atomic number is 6. Suppose if the number of protons is 4, then the atomic number of that element is 4. So and one more thing, so the atomic number is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z. So all the atoms of an element have the same atomic number, that is, so we can write it as a Z. In fact, the elements are defined by the number of protons they possess. For example, hydrogen. You know that hydrogen has only one proton. So the atomic number of proton is 1. So the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So if you take carbon, so carbon contain 6 protons. 6 protons. Then the atomic number of the carbon is 6. Let's take oxygen. Oxygen, so in the nucleus, so it has 8 protons. So we can write it as atomic number of oxygen is 8. So therefore atomic number is defined as the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So ಈಗ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we can so you know that we have 119 elements, right? So at the same time, so 119 protons will be present in this atom. So this is about the atomic number. Next comes to mass number. So what is this mass number? Students, you know that so here in the atomic nucleus, not only protons, neutrons are also present, right? So after studying the properties of subatomic particles of an atom, so we can conclude that mass of an atom is practically due to the protons and neutrons which is present in the nucleus. Okay, so mass of this atom can be decided by the number of protons and number of neutrons present in the atomic nucleus. So these are present in the nucleus of an atom. You know that. So protons and neutrons are together present in the atomic nucleus. So these are present in the nucleus of an atom. Hence protons and neutrons are also called as nucleons. So we these together call it as a nucleons. Nucleons. So you know that the mass of an atom, it is reside in the nucleus. So we'll take example carbon. So if we take carbon, so consider this is the atomic nucleus. This is the electron. just consider. Okay, proton and neutron. So carbon has a 6 proton and it also has a 6 neutrons. So we have to add this number of protons and neutrons. So now the atomic mass of a carbon is, so 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 is the mass number or atomic mass of the carbon. Next, if you take aluminium, it has a 13 protons and 14 neutrons. So together, so what is the atomic mass? So it is 27 units. Okay, 27 is the, so 27 is the mass number of this aluminium. So by this we can say that, so the mass number is defined as the sum of the total number of protons and total number of neutrons, so which is present in the nucleus of an atom. We can call it as a mass number. In the notation for an atom, the atom number, mass number and symbol of the elements are written like this. I'll show you. So first, here it has to come symbol. You can check the periodic table. Symbol of an element will come here and the atomic number which will come here. So left bottom, atomic number. Next, at the, so top of that, so a mass number. So like this only you have to write. So for example, if you take carbon atomic number is 6 and so mass number is 12. For example, if you take oxygen, 8 atomic number, mass number, you have to write here 16. Okay, so like this you have to write. So if you take helium, so 2, 4. So like this only we have to write it. When we are mentioning, so atomic number and the mass number for the symbols, you have to write atomic number at the bottom left side and the mass number you have to write left top. Okay, so this is how we have to write. And for example, if you take nitrogen, so N is a symbol. Nitrogen, its mass is atomic number is 7 and the mass number is 14. So in this way you have to write.